Good evening and welcome to the session 4 from the playlist of Ray Optics. The topic is reflection, and in this session we will be primarily discussing about the laws of reflection and few important points pertaining to reflection. So the first point is the definition of reflection, which says that reflection is the bouncing back of light on striking a smooth surface. So this is the definition of reflection, and every one of us must be knowing about it. Now the second point is the laws of reflection. So the first point under this heading is that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lies in the same plane. So this is the first important law of reflection. And the second point is that the angle of this reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. The third important point is that whenever reflection is taking place from a denser medium to a rarer medium, then reflected ray undergoes a phase change of pi. So this is an important point with regards to this topic. And the fourth important point is that the laws of reflection are true for reflection from a polished mirror or unpolished mirror or for diffused reflection. So in the next session, that is in the session number 5, I will be taking up the topic of reflection from a plane mirror. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.